Deputy CDF, sir, today marks yet another significant day as we gather to witness the decoration of 19 officers who were promoted on the 5th of November 2024 by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda and Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF in exercise of the powers vested in him under Article 98, subsection 1 of the 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. Among the 19 officers promoted are 2 colonels who were elevated to the rank of Brigadier General and 17 senior officers who were elevated to the rank of Colonel.
I'm Brigadier General Paul Namawa, the Chief of Staff of Special Force Command. I begin my remarks this afternoon, sir, by thanking the Almighty God, whose merciful hand and love has enabled us to congregate with abundant health here today. And indeed, with immense pride and gratitude, I stand before you on behalf of my fellow general officer and senior officers who have come to celebrate, or who are here to celebrate this significant milestone in our military career. I equally thank the UPDF leadership under the stewardship of the Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi Kainerugawa, and the entire Joint Force Headquarter fraternity for unwavering support, continued guidance that has seen us mentored through levels up to the various ranks that we carry today.
I want you to go and fight that virus called corruption. Corruption is not fought by one person, no. Not even by 10 people. Corruption is fought by many serious people like you. To thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the Commander-in-Chief for stabilizing this country. He has stabilized our country, he has stabilized the region, and that's why some of these things are happening. Today we are gathered here for a celebration. I want to thank the CDF for being the chairperson. He's the chairman of the Promotion and the Commissions Board, and for accepting to pass this request, which has come as a reality today. Apart from us enjoying, celebrating, also expect more responsibilities to be handled by you. But one thing, I'm confident and I'm happy that you'll manage it very well.